Give me that juice. Artisan electric. Give me that juice.
Hello everybody and welcome to Toolbox Talk Friday. This week we are going to cover installed microwave ovens. So I'm sure all of you are just chomping at the bit excited to talk about installed microwave ovens today. However, there are a few things here that can be relevant to decisions as homeowners regarding projects in the home, kitchen remodels when it comes to fastened-in-place appliances. I think a lot of folks are surprised to learn that as electrical contractors, we do a lot of appliance installs. Microwave ovens, vent hoods and vent hood systems, cooktops, electrical ovens, all kinds of exhaust fans, a lot of the new induction appliances that get installed, and any of the other electrical doodads and gadgets that get put in kitchens really fall under our purview pretty often. Secondly, there are important requirements and considerations for the specifications on microwave installations, specifically how high a microwave can be off of the countertop, and secondly, the distance between the top of the stove surface and the bottom of the microwave oven. You will want to defer to the manufacturer's specifications on these things. That distance in between ranges someplace between 14 inches and 20 inches minimum. We see this get messed up a lot when people are retrofitting the microwave oven in place of an existing small utilization range hood. They pull out those old range hoods, put in their new microwave oven, and the distance between the stove top and the bottom of the microwave is not within spec. A lot of folks don't realize that the cabinets for microwave ovens are actually a little narrower than the ones for the range hoods. If you have questions about microwave ovens or the installation of how to do it correctly and stay safe and stay within your code parameters, give us a call here at Artisan Electric and we can help you out.